Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Well, today I have a stitch fix. Before I get into this box and start showing you what I got, I want to read you my note to my stylist. All right, as you recall, I had a thing going with Lori. She was my stylist last time. I got a new stylist because it was mass exodus, and I was pretty upset because I started getting into a rhythm with Lori. And then I said, you know what, pick whoever for this time. It doesn't matter. The person I didn't have a relationship with, she didn't seem to quite get my style, so I decided to, choose somebody else. So let me read you my note. Dear stylist, I'm permanent work from home. My style, feminine, edgy, modern, and sleek. My lifestyle consists of intense gym, and I write parentheses, capri leggings, zip bra, tight fit dry tee. Sit in front of the computer, dinner out 1 to 2 times a week, shopping and errands on weekends. I have a ton of clothes, but I'm looking for unique, trendy pieces for fall. Sweater vest, lace, fringe, cutouts, plaid, lug soles, flat forms or heels, puff balloon sleeves, looser fitting jeans, quilting, solid saturated hues. I want to feel modern, youthful, and sexy. So I think I was pretty clear in what I was looking for. I'm like looking for these newer items that might be out in style. And what I ended up getting in my stitch preview was several items of loungewear. And I'm not talking about, cute, sexy loungewear or even like, cute and comfy sweat outfits. I'm talking about nightgowns meant for Meemaw. They were like long, frumpy nightgowns. I'm like, are you kidding me? I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not spending a lot of money on clothes that I'll never leave the house in. I mean, these were just awful. So I obviously did not select those in my preview. And everything else looked to me like blouses and skinny jeans. And I specifically wrote in the black back, listen, I'm work from home. I have all set on blouses. I have enough blouses like you wouldn't believe. So I said, I'm really looking for, looser fitting jeans, quilting, lace. I repeated in my notes why I declined the things that I did. But I did accept one pair of brown coated jeans. And I know I passed up the black coated jeans from Evereve saying I had a pair already, but I don't have any kind of casual brown pants. And I'm looking for anything brown and tan, but I just haven't found anything. So I'll be honest with you, I was very excited about those brown pants, and very shortly after that, I actually went to White Blouse Black Market and tried on a pair of their coated brown pants, but they were way too long. And I said, instead of trying on, see if they online and see if they have a petite, why don't I just wait for my box to come? 3 weeks went by before I got my box. It was like, so they styled me, or they asked me my preference, right? 3 weeks before they're ready to ship my box. So I was supposed to get my box delivered on 9/15. It came 9/17, so it was even delayed there. I even emailed them and said, is something wrong with my box again? It's 9/15. It's been 3 weeks since I've been in, styling. Still haven't gotten it yet. Oh, it's on its way. It's on its way. Finally, it ships. I get the preview, and I'm like, all right. So immediately, I was upset. The brown coated pants were not in it. The one item I picked out, the one item I was happy with. And I was like, what? And I'm like, all right. So I had to bust open. I was very, very busy yesterday, but I had to bust open the box just to read my stylist's note. And it's not the stylist's fault. But this is reminiscent of a Seinfeld episode whereby they can take the reservation, but they can't keep the reservation. So let me read you my note. Hi Carolyn, happy fix day. I'm delighted to style your 46th fix today and hope this one finds you well. I'm happy to see you selected the brown coated jean by Gen 7 for all mankind from your stitch preview. I see you selected the Gen 7 by 7 for all mankind coated jeans, but unfortunately we didn't have them to send you when completing your fix. I'm sorry to disappoint your request. We can keep an eye on them again for your next fix, or you can check out your shop. I'm also sending the black bootcut jeans by Cut from the Cloth for you to try for something different. Pair them with the navy tie-dye tee by Market and Spruce, and then layer it with the Madewell denim jacket for a stylish casual fall outfit. Let me know what you think. Enjoy, Katie. So, let's get into this bundle. One thing I wanted, I didn't get. All right? Keep in mind, in my note, I specifically said I want looser fitting jeans, modern, trendy styles, and I want to look youthful and sexy. Okay? The first item I sent was this blouse. Okay? It is what they call a Surplice blouse, so it has the crossover in front, it has the tie on the sleeves, and it has this dusty rose floral pattern. And in the back, it has its pleat. Now, if I was still working, I might consider this blouse, okay? I am not working in an office anymore, so I'm not in the market for any more blouses, okay? This blouse is the West Key Allan Surplice tie sleeve high-low, and then it gets cut off in white, size extra small for $44. This does not, to me, evoke modern, youthful, and trendy. And in my opinion, and I'm sorry if anyone likes this, the floral pattern kind of reminds me of grandma's sofas with the plastic covering, all right? So this does not evoke modern, youthful, and sexy for me. I will try it on, all right? The next item she sent was this Market and Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket tee in navy, size extra small. If this was a solid navy tee, I'd probably be all over it. It's $28 and it's a beautiful quality. It doesn't look like it'll be see-through. It has the pocket style. However, it's tie-dye, and I am not in the market to buy any more tie-dye as I feel this trend is starting to die out. I will continue to wear my tie-dye. I am not that, fashion conscious that, oh no, I have to get rid of my tie-dye. Absolutely not. I'll continue to wear my tie-dye because I bought it because I liked it. But I don't want to buy things that I think that might be on the way out. All right? Beautiful t-shirt, like it, size extra small, $28. Market and Spruce, again, the Hannah V-neck pocket. I will give it a try. Up next is the Madewell Classic Jean Jacket in blue, size extra small for $118. Nothing wrong with this jean jacket. I have one in this wash. Moreover, they sent me a jean jacket in my fix, 4 fixes ago, that I was very happy with and kept. So why would I want another, especially now that fall is, on us already. I have my jean jackets. I don't need another at this point. So no need for this, nothing wrong with it. This, if you're interested, does not have much stretch. I will look at the contents and tell you as I'm trying on so you guys can get an idea. I'm almost positive the West Key top is 100% polyester. I'd be shocked if it wasn't. And the t-shirt is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. And this feels like 100% cotton, but I will let you know. All right, next up, I have a pair of Liverpool jeans, all right? These are the Elizabeth super skinny jean, dark gray, size 0 petite. For those that you don't know, I am 5'2". I have to have petites almost always in my jeans. Skinny jeans, I might be able to get away with the regular size because they're skinny jeans, especially if they're ankle skinny, then they become regular skinny for me, all right? I actually have a pair of these already, but in plain blue, not in a gray. However, Stitch Fix has already sent me 2 pairs of gray skinny jeans that I kept, and I have another pair of gray skinny jeans that I have already. So why they would send me another pair of gray skinny jeans after sending me 2 already, I don't know. Nothing wrong with them. Although this type of style, it's a skinny jean and it's like the jegging style, those are also on their way out. So again, I won't be investing unless it's something really special or extraordinary. I'm just not investing my money in that right now. I'm spending my money on newer trends, okay? Because I have a lot of the older trends. Nothing wrong with them. We'll still wear them. I just have a closet full of them, looking for something new and different. Then the last item that you sent, which would be possibly the one thing that I might have kept, are the Cut from the Cloth Natalie Flare Bootcut in black. So I have two pairs of black skinny jeans. One is distressed and the other isn't. And the other that isn't is from Loft, and I've had them many years now. So I can go for another pair of black jeans, especially one that has a wider flare leg. However, she did not send these in to me in a petite, and there is no freaking way that these are going to fit me. I can maybe get away with a skinny jean, you know, especially if they're a crop or ankle length skinny jean in a regular size, but no way can I get, you know, deal with a flare or boot cut in a regular size. So these are $89, size 0. Would have kept them if they fit me, but I know that they're not going to fit me. Again, I will try them on for you. All right, give me a minute and I am going to do a try on. First outfit is I have on the West Key top. Again, if I was working, there is nothing wrong with this top. It's just not me and the vibe I'm looking to evoke now in my very casual lifestyle. I think I'm going to reword it too and indicate in my note that date night, because they seem to use that a lot at Stitch Fix, date night versus, you know, edgy, you know. So I think if I use the word date night, maybe their algorithm might pick up more date night things versus edgy things, because this to me is not edgy. To me, this is office wear. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't even the tie sleeves don't even bother me. I like tie sleeves. I think that's a cute touch, to be honest with you. I like the 3/4 sleeves. I don't mind the Surplice style, even though it's been out there for a while. It does, because I am petite, it does come quite long in the back. It covers my tush. I'm not too crazy about that. I would have liked to have it a little bit shorter, but you have to remember I'm petite, so that will happen to me. The front fits just fine, but again, it's not something I want to keep. I have on the cut from the cloth jeans. The blouse is 100% polyester, if I didn't mention that. The jeans, 76% cotton, 22% polyester, 2% spandex. They fit beautifully except for the length. They're just way too long for me. If these had been in a petite, I would have kept them. They're right at my belly button. Right here's my belly button, so it comes right to my belly button. They have 5-pocket styling, you know. And I only have 2 pairs of black jeans, and you know, I'd be thrilled with these. This is a different look if they just sent petite. So I'm gonna show you how long they are at the bottom. I have the very tallest shoes I have on, and it's still touching the floor of the bottom and bunching a bit too. So no to the jeans, which is a shame. I will let her know that I would take these if they are a petite. All right, I'm gonna throw on the final outfit. Okay, first I have on is the Madewell jacket, and I'm checking again to make sure. It is a regular extra size, extra small, not even petite, and it is way too small. Look at this, it's too small in the arms, and I got short, stumpy arms, so this is very unusual. So if you're teeny tiny, below 5 feet, and need a denim jacket, this might be for you. It's also just too tight here, like when I pull my arms, it's like it's tight across the back, and I can't close it. So this is definitely a no-go. This is, you know, even if I liked it and needed a denim jacket, this runs extremely small. So if you're interested in this, at least one size up. If you're below 5 feet, this might be a denim jacket for you. All right, next up I have on are the Liverpool jegging style pull-on pants. Nothing wrong with the pants at all. Like I said, I have a pair in a regular medium blue wash, but this jegging glued-on style is, you know, the pull-on style, they're kind of like on their way out. I mean, again, I still wear them. There is nothing wrong with them whatsoever. I'm just not going to be investing in more, and especially when I already have 3 other pairs of skinny jeans similar to this. All right, and then the top, if this had been solid navy, I would have kept it. All right, it's just a t-shirt. It is navy blue and black combined, 1 pocket, V-neck style. I'm just not, even in my note, I'm looking for solid saturated hues, and I get 2 prints, you know, so I feel very frustrated that Stitch Fix doesn't listen to me. I think I'm just going to say and write them a note. And I want to let you know, I did complain about the camisoles I got from them, and they immediately credited back my account for 30 bucks. The one that shriveled up and got all yucky with pills all over it is in the Goodwill bucket now. I might end up pulling it out of there and throwing it out completely because that's how bad it pilled. The other one I haven't worn yet because it's been hot as blazes this past week, but I'll try it as the temperature cools. Maybe I'll hand wash it. I don't know what I'll do with it. But yeah, I'm not spending my good money on something that falls apart after one wear. So they are good about that. And I think what I'll do is I'll write them a note and saying, hey, it's costing you money for, from you to send me these boxes, which I keep sending back to you. What do I have to do to get things that I want in my box? I mean, when I say solid saturated hues, I get 2 prints. When I say I'm looking looser fitting pants and I get a pair of skinny jeans, I just don't know. I don't know what else to tell them. I know I have a lot of clothes and I know I'm kind of being picky, but I was able to find things no problem at Target. I'm able to find things no problem on Poshmark. Stay tuned for that. I have a trunk coming and they have some promising things in there for me. So I know my wallet is telling me I have no problem finding clothes. I'm not sure what the issue is with Stitch Fix. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, why not? It's not costing you anything. As I said, I have a trunk coming. You're going to see a miscellaneous haul that I did, including some Poshmark items. That's it. Take care, and until next time.